Hey everyone, this is Ed Kiefer again, bringing you another Luxe highlight. This is a little bit unusual. I don't usually talk about our open units, but this is an opportunity for you if you really want to get into a Luxe luxury fifth wheel. This is the time to do it. We are putting some fresh units online. These units here, we like to move our inventory. So hey, give us a call. Don't wait for this opportunity to pass you by. Give us a call at 844-284-6678. Get us on the web at luxefifthwheel.com and ask us about our open inventory. This is pretty rare opportunity where we just like to move this, and if you want to get into a luxury fifth wheel quickly, give us a call, 844-284-6678, and have a great day.